This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the NVIDIA driver download failed error that you may be getting. So let's get right into this. So if you're getting this error, there's a few ways to fix this. The first thing you can do is you can come to this website where I am, which is nvidia.com/en.us-drivers, right? /drivers. In here, you can manually find basically what graphic card it is, what the problem is, and basically get the update done from there. This is like a manual sense, or you could just Google your graphic card's name, do driver update, and manually get the driver. The other thing that you can basically do to make this error go away is essentially go into the other website and download. Basically, this is where you're getting the issue, is the NVIDIA app itself. So you could either restart your computer, because I've actually had this happen to me, and then try to turn on the app again, or just download it again, essentially reinstalling it and or repairing it. Do that again, because it's a new app. It still has a lot of bugs and issues, so it starts to bug out actually. So re-downloading it, reinstalling it or repairing it, and then trying again, and you should be good to go and not have this error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please subscribe, guys, and make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm Mo Tutorials out. Peace.